And ceramic coatings will often fail before their lifespan because these steps aren't properly done. If you ever hear ceramic coating for $400, $500, $600 that can be done in 2 to 4 hours, there's gonna be a lot of skipping of these steps. Most ceramic coatings fail within a year. Here's why. The biggest reason is because on the consumer end, a lot of people are not doing what it takes to maintain their ceramic coating, which is one, maintenance. A lack of maintenance will kill your coating so fast before your eyes. And as well, things like contamination buildup. Where you store your car. Is your car sitting under a pine tree? Is your car sitting under trees all day under a electrical line where birds are constantly pooping on it? That is going to destroy your ceramic coating as well. But with a proper maintenance, you can make a ceramic coating like this one actually last way more than its intended time. We originally did this ceramic coating over a year ago, and this was quoted for an up to 1 year coating. And it did around 14 to 15 months, and it's still going on most panels. But now we're just redoing it on the entire car. That way they can have a fresh new coating, and it outperformed and outlived its lifetime if it's prepped the proper way and you maintain it the proper way. So we're gonna go over what we do on our end to make sure that we have the longest lasting ceramic coating possible. The best way that we do that is by properly doing the job. And what do we mean by properly? The biggest thing is prep. So prep is key. Not only do we start with fully washing and detailing a car before we ceramic coating, but we have to really focus on decontaminating, removing all the contamination that's built up on the paint, like, you know, bugs, tree sap, all this dirt and things like that that stick into the paint's pores, exactly like how dirt sticks into the pores of our skin. We need to remove and decontaminate all of that first. Properly removing all the bonded contaminants on the paint is going to allow us to give us the cleanest job to be able to polish this paint in a clean fashion without putting any more swirl marks, marring into it, and as well allowing a fully clean surface to apply a ceramic coating that's actually going to chemically bond to the car's paint. So after we fully wash, decontaminate, detail the car, which can take up to 1 to 2 hours just to wash it and prep it before we even polish it, then we have a fully clean surface that is ready to start polishing and actually increasing the gloss and removing minor swirl marks, scratches, and defects on the paint, making it a lot more glossy. Another thing that's crucial to making sure ceramic coating actually lasts and doesn't fail prematurely is going to be the polishing stages. Actually polishing and cleaning up this paint before we ceramic coat it. Why? It's the same thing like when we exfoliate our skin, we're removing that top dead layer of skin. What happens if we just wash our face, never exfoliate it, throw on moisturizer, sunscreen, you know, ladies' makeup? Are you ever really restoring your skin? No, you need a facial every once in a while. You need to exfoliate your skin. Same thing with a car's clear coat. We need to exfoliate it by doing a light polish to be able to remove that top layer of, you know, grime, of dirt, of defects, water spotting, you know, all these light contamination that the paint and clear coat picks up over time with the elements. Your car's outdoors. It's even worse than our skin. So this is something that we need to spend some more time doing. And ceramic coatings will often fail before their lifespan because these steps aren't properly done. If you ever hear ceramic coating for $400, $500, $600 that can be done in 2 to 4 hours, there's going to be a lot of skipping of these steps, or these steps are not going to be able to be done as thoroughly, as effectively, because if you're skipping these steps, one, you're sealing things like contamination, you know, dirt, bugs, debris, water, you know, watermarks, whatever that is. You're sealing that under your ceramic coating. You're putting a ceramic coating over that. That needs to be fully removed before you apply ceramic coating. And as well, things like, you know, swirl marks, defects, things wrong with the paint, like, you know, swirl marks, scratches, things like of that nature. You're going to be leaving those behind if you're not doing a proper polishing and or paint correction to be able to apply ceramic coating over that. So if you apply ceramic coating over that without fully polishing and you're leaving the defects in there, you're not gonna have as glossy of a finish. So that's why we do more of this work. So far, we're about 4 or 5 hours into this car, and total, this is gonna be about a 6, 7, 8 hour job for our tier 1 1-year ceramic coating. All of these steps, when done improperly, are the reason why ceramic coatings are going to most likely fail prematurely, coming from a shop standpoint. Obviously, there's things as a consumer that's very important for you to do, like washing your car frequently, actually taking care of it, staying on top of contamination, not parking under trees, and actually maintaining the ceramic coating. But on our end, this is why a lot of ceramic coatings tend to fail out there, especially when they're not done properly. And this is the proper steps that we need to spend the adequate amount of time doing. Any ceramic coating is on average at least 7 to 8 hours, if not up to 16 to 24 hours, depending on how much paint correction and actually work we're doing beforehand before we get to the actual ceramic coating part, because paint correction is a whole thing in itself. You can watch more videos on our YouTube channel about paint correction and why it can differ so greatly. So now what we're doing is actually rinseless wiping this entire car. So to provide actually lubricant to wipe off all of this polish residue after we finish polishing this entire car, now we're prepping for the coating installation. Once we actually have everything cleaned and prepped, we remove all the polish residue, we clean out all the door jambs, cracks, nooks, crannies, we're able to have a really clean installation, polished car, glossy paint, before we actually lock that in for the next year with this tier 1-year coating. Our final step before doing the ceramic coating is actually sometimes one of the longest standing steps, because this is a crucial step in actually wiping the whole car down before we get to the ceramic coating, because we're using an isopropyl alcohol mixture of a panel prep spray that is actually stripping any types of oil, silicones, polish residue, whatever it is from this paint, to be able to have a clean, completely chemically clean surface to install ceramic coating on for maximum bondage. And we have to go over the car multiple times to ensure that we're having a spotless, clean, streak-free surface, because again, if anybody misses a step, you're locking that in for whatever the ceramic coating duration is going to be, 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years. So this step is crucial. That's why we spend normally at least 20 to 30 minutes wiping this car down before we even get to the ceramic coating installation. Now that we have a fully clean and prepped surface, we really get into the meat of the ceramic coating, which is the fun part for us, is actually installing and applying the ceramic coating. And why it's so important, like I mentioned, the meat, this is going to be the make or break portion, especially in the duration and the finish of the ceramic coating itself, because applying it is very particular. We use multiple towels, normally at least 8 to 12 towels per vehicle, flipping these towels over and over again because they clog up with the ceramic coating residue, and we have to throw these out because they, after a few hours, start to stiffen up. Again, because ceramic coating, if you didn't know, you can watch our videos on what ceramic coating actually is and how it works, but it actually hardens. It's a liquid that once applied to your car's paint, hardens and chemically bonds to your car's paint, lasting years, actually offering really good protection from the sun's UV rays, water spotting, birds, bugs, everything of that nature. And it's going to allow for long-lasting protection. So we're actually using an applicator, a brand new applicator per car, because again, it stiffens up, because that's how good and strong these ceramic coatings are, that we apply the ceramic coating step by step in small sections, being able to actually work one section at a time. For example, small panel, half a panel, quarter panel, and we're wiping off section by section and ensuring that we're wiping off within the what's called the flash period. So normally between 30 and 90 seconds for most ceramic coatings, we're wiping off the excess and making sure that we're not leaving any behind. When people have leftover behind excess, that's what you would call high spots, which oftentimes can be normal if they're in 1 or 2 spots on the car. They're easily wiped away within the next day, 2 days, or even within the next few weeks. But when you see them all over the car, it's normally because this step of installing a ceramic coating is rushed. It's actually not done properly. It's not done with either enough towels or with the wrong applicators. So that's important that we spend the adequate amount of investment in these tools, and as well the time that we're spending on applying the ceramic coating. This can take anywhere from an hour up to an hour and a half. So this is everything that you're going to be getting with our tier 1 ceramic coating, and why it's so important to be done properly. And these are all the reasons why most ceramic coatings will fail. And this car right here, when we ceramic coated it over a year ago, actually exceeded its lifespan because it was done properly the first time, and we maintained it and made sure it was washed, and so did our client Elwin. He made sure to wash it, maintain it, and keep it protected, and it lasted well over a year, and it was actually quoted for 1 year. So this is what you're going to be getting in the 1-year ceramic coating, our tier 1, which is going to be a full decontamination wash, a paint enhancement, so normally about up to 50% improvement in slight defects like swirl marks and things of that nature. You're getting your ceramic coating on paint and on any plastic light trim. Especially with this ceramic coating, you're going to be having a lot of gloss, ease of maintenance and protection, and as well, my favorite thing is how easy it is to wash and how fast it is to wash. It's my favorite thing, cutting any washing time down in half. So this is pretty much one of the most popular entry-level ceramic coatings. If you've never gotten a ceramic coating done before and you want to actually experience what it's like, this is a great entry-level coating for the daily driver, for the car that you keep outdoors, the work truck, whatever it is. It's a great entry-level coating, and we can add things on like a windshield coating, wheel coatings, whatever it is. That's what we did for this one as well. So if you want your car to look like this is the solution. Being able to have it done properly, ceramic coated, have the paint polished, and you have a long-term protection that's going to save you from, one, the headaches of all the damage on your paint, but two, especially the time and headaches it actually has to be washing and waxing every few months, washing it all the time and never keeping it as clean. Ceramic coating is going to save you a lot from that. So if you want your car to look like this, feel free to reach out to us, send us a DM, send us a call, a message, fill out a form, and we can help you out and see exactly if this is going to be the right fit for you and your car.